Alright, this is a follow-up to Joe's video about technology and apps. I know may have been some questions about the consumer app, how to get that set up and working, so we're going to cover a little bit of basics of making sure that that's set up and working properly. So first thing you want to do is get into Command, and you'll log into your Command account, and then go up to where your name is at the top right. Click on that and click on Settings. That's going to default the connected apps. You want to go over to the left where they've got the list of different settings to look into, and click drop down next to Connect Settings, and from there click on Marketing Profile. And this is where your mobile app, or the consumer app, and your agent website pulls all of your marketing information from, as long as you've got this switch turned on telling it to pull it from here. So you upload your headshot. If you're not on a team, you can do a personal logo and upload it into the team logo spot. You want to make sure that both of these are 360 pixels, about 360 pixels. If you need some help getting it to that size, reach out to me. I can help you accomplish that. You want to make sure that you've got all of the correct information filled in. First, last name, agent license number. If you're not on a team, you can put your branding or marketing name that you use for your real estate business. If you got a professional job title, you can put that in here. If you've got a slogan, you want to put that in there. Any designations or credentials, you want to list those. If you've got any military affiliations, if you've either been in the military or you're a supporter / patriot, you can select those from the list, and it'll add these to your affiliations for each division of the service. Bio, this is where your bio lives. I recommend updating it on a regular basis to where it presents you in the best light to clients researching you. Mobile phone number, there's a space for fax, but we don't really use faxes anymore, not in 2021. Email, website address. If you've got a domain forwarding to your agent website, you can put that domain here. If not, if you can just put your agent website URL here. Then next is your market center / brokerage information. You would put your excuse me. You put your compliance logo for the market center here. Upload it into here. Make sure you've got all the correct information. Make sure you've got 307 Bayou Gardens Boulevard, at least for the time being here, for the market center address. And make sure you've got the market center / brokerage license number in here. Legal footer text, I put each office independently owned and operated. Then further down, you can put your social media profile links, and that will show up on your agent site. If you're using Google Analytics, you can put your Google Analytics ID on here, and it will track any traffic to your agent site. And click Save, and it'll let you know that your marketing profile is successfully saved. Alright. So now that you've guaranteed that all of your information is correctly entered in your marketing profile, you can come down to the consumer section here, which is the bottom icon on the left-hand side. Let's do this. And that, in case you didn't see that, if you click on the KW here, it expands the menu so you can actually read what each of these icons refer to. Click on Consumer. And this is what the main interface looks like for the new agent websites. If you haven't converted new agent websites, get with me, make an appointment. If there's enough of you, we'll do a workshop where everybody can convert at the same time. Make things easy. If you're curious about what your app link is or your mobile app for the consumer, this is it here. You can find it here if you want to share it with somebody. So, interesting thing about the consumer app is that if you just tell a client to download it, they're not going to automatically be branded to you. They're going to have to go find you and add you to the app for you to get updates when they search for stuff. If they download it through this link, through your app link, then they're going to be automatically branded to you, and you're going to automatically see when they search for stuff. They'll be added to your command database, and you'll have visibility whenever they log in and search for properties. So that's always the recommended route to go. So you can keep an eye on what they're doing and what properties they save and such. You can have Keller Home Loans and Keller Coverage show up on your app and your website, in addition to neighborhoods. You can also limit or designate forced registration. I'm sorry. So what that means is that by default it's unrestricted. So that means that somebody goes and looks at a property on your site, and they can come back and keep coming back and never have to register. You have the option to limit them to only being able to view 10 properties before they have to register, only being able to view 2 properties before they have to register, or that they have to register before they view any properties. I'm a fan of 2 properties. I just don't have it turned on at the moment. I'm probably going to go back to that and have them, after looking at 2 properties, that they have to register with the website. After you make any changes, you've got the Save Changes button. And this reflects for your app and your agent site. That's the basics. This isn't meant to cover setting up and editing your website. This is just kind of the basic information to get you set up. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. One more thing, the consumer app does not have an account created with your command login. The consumer app is not meant for you to log in unless you create a separate account, which I recommend doing so that you can test things out on yourself and learn how to use it so you can explain it to your clients. But there is no default login for the consumer app. You have to create one. So don't try and log into it like you do Command Mobile or Command or anything like that. Alright, thanks, and talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.